Dear economics students, continue before video class, remaining 6 points, 7 to 12 points. Seventh one, income inequalities. Another characteristics of the developing economies is the disparities in the income and wealth enjoyed by the rich and poor section of the society. Developing economies have more differences between rich and poor because of in India, according to 68th round NSSO means National Sample Survey Organization for the year 2011 and 12, the monthly per capita consumption expenditure increased 10 to 11.5% in 2011 and 12, but rich people expenditure 17.2 to 30.2% increasing in 2011 and 12. ఇక్కడ మీరు గమనించాల్సింది కన్జంప్షన్ పర్ క్యాపిటా కన్జంప్షన్ కామన్ పీపుల్కి 10 నుంచి 11% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే రిచ్ పీపుల్ ఇన్కమ్ 17 నుంచి 30% ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. నాట్ ఓన్లీ డిస్పారిటీస్ ఇన్ కన్జంప్షన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో అసెట్స్ హౌసెస్ కానీ లేదంటే ఇన్కమ్ రిసోర్స్ కానీ డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియాస్ ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీస్ బిట్వీన్ రిచ్ అండ్ పూర్ ఇన్ ఇండియా అండ్ అదర్ డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్. నెక్స్ట్ 8th వన్, లో క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ అంటే తక్కువ జీవన ప్రమాణం. ద క్వాలిటీ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ ఇన్ ద డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ లో ఇన్ కంపారిజన్ విత్ డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీస్తో పోలిస్తే డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్లో చాలా తక్కువ జీవన ప్రమాణం. వై? ద పీపుల్ ఇన్ ద డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్ సఫర్ ఫ్రమ్ nutrition food, high pollution, lack of sanitation and safety drinking water, health, education. These are very poor available per public in developing economies. So in India and developing countries, the life expectancy at birth rate in below 65 years because of low quality of life due to the low life expectancy. Next, ninth future, technological backwardness. In the developing countries, the production techniques are backward due to lack of focus on research and development. Most of the developing countries very lack of spend of money on research and development, so backward due to the backward technical knowledge. So the technical backward knowledge impact on low production sector. These countries use labor intensive techniques because adoption of modern technology require use capital which is deficient. So the developing countries has use capital. So advanced techniques, advanced technology equipment not absorbed in industrial sector or production sector. So almost developing countries depend upon only labor intensive techniques, not capital intensive techniques. It has affected the productivity in the economy, which is very low compared with the developed economies. So developed economies తో పోలిస్తే ప్రొడక్టివిటీ అనేది చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Next, go to 10th point, 10th future, high density of population. So high density of population. What is the meaning of density of population? The number of persons living for square kilometer is called density of population. సో ఒక స్క్వేర్ కిలోమీటర్కి ఎంతమంది నివసిస్తున్నారని తెలియజేసేది మనకి డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ పాపులేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హై ఇన్ ద డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్ డ్యూ టు ది లార్జ్ సైజ్ ఆఫ్ పాపులేషన్. సో మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది డెవలపింగ్ కంట్రీస్ maintain the high density of population because of more population living in developing countries. So for example, India, the density of population in India was 382 per square kilometer in 2011 population census. Next, go to 11th point. 11th one, dual economy. Developing economies are characterized by dualism. Developing economies or developing countries maintain the double situation, double dualism. Ante dualism means double situations continuously. It refers to that condition of an economy where two sectors, advanced and backward sectors, exist side by side. So best example in India. In India, one side backward agriculture sector and another side advanced technical industrial sector. So both are side by side. This type of economy is called dual economy. So dual economy is the main abstract of the development. That means dual economy due to the main reason backwardness of the development. Next, 12th one, price instability. The price instability is also a basic feature of the developing countries. In almost all developing countries like India, there is a continuous price instability because of shortage of essential commodities and gap between consumption and production. So instability price also one of the main reason. This reason due to the creation of inflation problem. So inflation problem impacted poor people. Poor people consumption will be going downfall. So instability, price instability means up and down. Commodity prices always up and down. So that up and down situation impacted on consumption level for common people. So best example in India, most of the commodities always price increasing. So this type of instability price situations create to the lack of capital, lack of investment, lack of savings. So this is also one of the major future of the developing economies. So these are main 12 side points, 12 futures, lengthy answer. So all of you, first of all, side points, 12 points, read and write a number of times. After every side point matter will be body of matter also practice compulsory. Very important question. So thank you for watching this.